Hey, what's up, Firework people? Yeah, quick stash pickup. I just literally got. It's 12 a.m. What day is it today? Uh, I don't know. After this fucking stuff destroyed LeBron. After, yeah, right after that. It's like the quick pickup I literally just got. Literally like at 12 a.m. See that quick match right there, right? You know it's good. I got two 3-inch salutes. Let's see. Let's see. Wow, it's not gonna focus, is it? Blue Thunder, but it's a salute. It has a tail. If I find a tube, I might light it in there. If not, who cares? 3-inch. I got the ball shell. I got another one, another 3-inch, same thing, salute. It has quick match on the green tip and a normal and igniter, but I don't have a firing system, Q, whatever it's called. I got some, oh shit, the boxes, wrong important. Got some, I don't know what these are, quarter sticks? I don't know, but these are like legit. These are crazy. There's 6 in the box. Yeah, so that's one other thing. I'm gonna make a demo of those in a little bit. I got a box of these. The dude told me 2-inch shells. I had 2-inch shells before, and he told me that they're not 2-inch shells. They're actually like a normal ball shell. 1.75, 1.75. So yeah, I got these. Not too bad, still salute. Better than like those fake ones. Not fake, but just like those that are advertised as normal shells. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, real salutes. They have like, let's see what up. It's like some black coated fuse, burns really slow. Then yeah, you know this goes real fast. Got a box of them for 12, like 12 in them. And I can use the Excal too for these, so it's like pretty perfect. Pretty happy with this pickup, even though he said 2-inch, which I do have a 2 for that. Yeah, and my final thing was this 25 shot Thunder King. Let's see, where's right there. Has normal match. Well, I can't. There's like tape right here. I don't want to pull it back. But let's see. Oh, look, it says colorful World 2 salute. Now this is crazy. Now this ain't one of those cakes you gotta find. This is an actual salute cake, man. That's crazy. The dude who sold it to me said he had a 100-shot salute cake. 100-shot salute cake. It was crazy. He showed me a picture. It looked beautiful. $100 though. I don't know. And the labeling said 30 seconds. So I don't know. Might pick it up. Yeah, but yeah, it's my quick pickup stash. The sticks of, I don't know what the fuck they are. The 3-inchers, Thunder King, and 1.75 salutes, 12 of them. Gonna have a firework stash in a week maybe. It's just like quick pickups. Might definitely gonna get more of these. Maybe another one of those. So yeah. Thank you. Or whatever.